Oh, oh dear. Oh dear. Dora, are you okay?
Haley's magical playhouse.
So what awesome toy do you have for us today, Haley?
I got Dora's surprise house.
Oh my gosh. Dora's house?
Yeah.
It's her dollhouse. It looks so big.
And we have Kinder eggs.
We do. We have 2 Kinder eggs. Kinder Surprise eggs. Ooh. Sounds like there's some cool surprise inside. So you want to get Dora and me dollhouse out of the box?
Yes. I can open this with magic.
No way. Oh, let's see it.
Magic, magic, magic. Make it open.
Wow.
Wow.
That's awesome.
I think 7's in there. 7.
You think there's some stuff in the house?
Yeah.
So how did you do that?
I'm a magical princess.
Oh, wow, that must come in handy, being able to do magic. Oh no, Dora fell over. So it looks like this really, really big dollhouse came with Dora. She looks adorable. And her mommy. I don't know her mommy's name. We'll just say Miss Dora. And
Daddy?
then Mr. Dora.
It's a daddy, Mr.
Yeah, the daddy. Her daddy. Hello, everyone. Cool. Is there anybody home?
You're here. Welcome to mi casa.
Welcome to mi casa.
Come on, vámonos.
Oh, we're gonna explore the dollhouse. Awesome. That's a great idea. Now, do you see anything in the window?
Yes.
You do?
Maybe Dora could do it.
Maybe. I wonder what surprise is in the window. Da, 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 da.
Wow.
Whoa. I don't know how we're gonna do this. This is so big.
Hey, Dada.
Hey, Dora. How you doing this morning?
What's in the sink?
Well, I don't know. Let me go take a check. Dora, did you put a Kinder Surprise egg in the sink?
Yeah.
Excelente! Let's open it up.
Please, can I open it today?
I suppose so. You can open it. Let's see. Oops, sorry, honey. Whoa, wow. I guess I can't stand up on my 2 feet either. I'm so surprised. Do you know what shape the surprise egg is?
Oval!
That's right. An oval.
Dora, can you help me?
Of course.
It smells good.
I bet it does.
Let's open it.
Yummy chocolate. How is it? Yummy?
Yeah! Oh, we have a piano. Look at the cute doggy! Woof, woof! Woof, woof! Woof, 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 woof!
That is adorable.
Woof, 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 woof,
That's a little creepy.
woof. That is so creepy. This is all the puppies you could get.
Oh, it's all the puppies you can get. Cool. And this is the one Haley got.
Hey, cutie.
Ooh. Ruff, 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 ruff,
You want some more? You want some more?
ruff. Cool. You know what? Did you know Dora also has a little doggy in here and now they can be friends? How cool.
I will show you my house. Let's go. And we have this.
Time to explore! Come on, vámonos!
And we have the sink, and we have the kitchen, and we have the refrigerator. Okay, and here's some eggs and we got like muffins and stuff. And we have up here, we have like the stuff. Here we got clock, and we have a doorkey, so my dog can go through.
Ruff, 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 ruff.
Oh, you come. That's where the dog goes.
Oh, it comes through the doggy door. Cool.
And we have my dad sits on the counter a lot and watch TV and stuff. Relax. And we have some tea. And we have the carpet so we can walk on. And we have me and Richard on a table. And this is my animal and that's me.
Oh, so you do a little drawing on your activity table?
Yes.
That's cool.
Okay, let's go up here.
Oh, you have some stairs?
Let's walk, and walk. Hey, ho. This is like...
Oh dear. Oh dear. Dora, are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, you knocked out your mom too.
Sorry, that's go up the stairs and...
No problemo. Yeah, that's why that guardrail's there. It's supposed to protect you from falling over.
Yeah, and we have like... This is a fall like this.
Yeah, that part's not protected. That's kind of dangerous. No wonder why you fell.
This is my bathroom. And the baby doesn't have a bathroom. And
Wow, there's no toilet or nothing. I guess you didn't get that with this dollhouse, huh?
Mama, what are you doing?
Oh, well, you know, it didn't come with a tub or anything, so I just thought, hey, why not just get in the sink and take a bath? I'm kind of dirty, so I figured I had to.
No, you can't take a bath there. That's dangerous. That's the sink.
Oh, well. We're gonna have to get a tub, I guess.
You leaning on the stove.
Now that's dangerous. Oh, boy.
Get out, Mom. My God. This, and we have my...
Oh, that's like a nice cabinet.
And we have my computer over there. And
Oh,
we
I like
have-
your little computer
No,
desk.
That's Windows not safe.
I see that. You could just fall out of it.
Yeah. Well, like this.
Yeah, just like this one.
And let's go up here.
Okay, whoa, this looks like your room.
Sleeping in my bed. Here.
Mr. Kinder Surprise, what are you doing sleeping in Dora's bed? Doesn't talk, does it?
No.
Well, I guess you're gonna have to open it. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh, poor doggy. Oh,
Dada!
Yeah?
The doggy fell at that tuna egg. Oh my gosh.
Oh no.
Look out for him. He might be hurt. I'm gonna be surprised.
Jeez, I see where your priorities are. Ooh, a door is opening the egg?
Yeah.
Oh. Wonder what's inside. What kind of surprise is it?
Where's Sarah?
Oh boy. Dora, okay, that's enough. It's almost lunchtime. Don't want to spoil your lunch. Okay, yep. Daddy's gonna have some of these.
Daddy, don't spoil your lunch. Oh, we don't have these. We got 2 doggies. Oh, soft doggies.
Duckies?
Yeah.
They are so adorable.
Yeah, they're soft too. They feel soft.
Look how cute they are.
They feel soft.
You've never gotten those from a Kinder Surprise.
Oh, they're cute.
Aww.
I think.
Quack, 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 quack.
Hey, little duckies.
Quack, quack.
Daddy, look, I have duckies.
Oh, they're so cute. Look at these little cute guys. Now, you know, Dora, you're going to have to take care of them, which means feeding them, giving them water, and taking them for little ducky walks.
We don't have leashes, so we don't have food.
Oh, they'll follow you. They always follow the mother after they hatch, which they think you're the mother. Quack, 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 quack.
I don't know, because my dogs really like ducks.
Oh, jeez. I hope the doggies don't eat the ducks. I think it'll be fine.
Dog, can you please not eat them, please? Please. Please.
See, they're fine. They'll all be fine together. No biggie.
Whoa, whoa. I need to show my friends the rest of the room with my duckies. Here's my guitar, here's my pictures, and here's my pitch. Here's my camera, and there's my clock, and there's my backpack.
Wow,
Yeah.
cool stuff.
My dog, my house.
Your little dollhouse?
Yeah, and I have my bed.
Ooh.
And we have, oh my gosh, the drink and water.
Yeah, they're probably drinking the doggies' water. Probably thirsty.
I think he doesn't care.
No, he doesn't. He's sharing.
And we have my notes now. Are we safe?
No, you can probably fall out of that one pretty
Like
easily.
this. Ah! That's
Yeah, probably should get some real windows.
I can see how tall I am.
Oh, you can
I
measure
think
yourself.
I'm big.
You are pretty big. You're almost too big for that.
We have my table, and we have my dance, and we have my clothes and my shoes.
Ooh.
And we have my. That was it.
That was it?
And we have
What
my
a nice house you have.
That's my family right there. That's my
Aww.
My house also folds up. Let's show you. This button folds up. And this. That folds up.
Is that how it folds up? That is pretty cool. And then I guess you can kind of carry it with you somewhere.
If you like this video, give it your thumbs up.
Yeah, if you like the
Yeah.
video, give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends.
Subscribe for more small videos like this one.
That's right. Make sure you subscribe for more fun videos like with Dora the Explorer. Hey everyone.
Hey everyone.
And My Little Pony, Disney princess stuff, and always having tons and tons of fun, right?
Yeah, like Kinder eggs.
Yeah, with surprise toys and surprise
like baby
eggs.
Kinder eggs.
Yeah. Bye-bye. We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Adios, amigos.
Amigos. Okay, can we play some more, Dad? Thank you for getting this, Dad.
You're welcome.
Should we play some more?
Yeah.
Hey. Hey, Dada.
Hey, Dora. All right, let's go play.
Wait a minute.
Do.
Look, my ducky's in the sink.
Why'd you put the duckies in the sink?
Because they could swim in there. Mama.
Swim in there. They need a lake to swim in.
But I don't have a lake.
Well, I guess we're gonna have to dig one then. Let's do it.
Okay.
Okay, get a shovel? No? We'll use our hands. All right, this is gonna take a while. Dig and dig and dig.